guys, my name is Byron with Bug Out with Byron.
Alright guys, back to the application. So we found an apartment, someone told me about it, it was on Facebook, so I went and looked at it, and I was like, yeah, we need this. And then there's one garage, so Byron's car obviously is going to go in there, mine's going to sit outside. That's okay because I'll have him detail it. And then it's got 3 floors, like I said. There's a basement, walk outside. Then on the second floor there's a not a loft, but like a porch type of thing. And the third floor is just bedrooms, I think. And so I told Byron about it, and turns out Byron actually knows the landlord, so hopefully that'll help us get doing there. So we're gonna fill out the application soon after Byron gets some more information on it. And hopefully we get in there by middle of next month, so we might be able to get an apartment tour if he'll let me do that. And then get all his bug out stuff in its own room so it's not taking up other people's space. Kinsley got her glasses this week, and we'll put a picture in for you right here. She is so stinking cute, although she's already scratched the lenses. She pulls them down while we're in the car, and she'll like put them in her mouth and chew on them. And then I'm like, Kinsley, where's your glasses go? She'll put them back up on her face real quick, start laughing. So that's gonna be a learning process for all of us. Yeah, don't mind me because I'm all gross and sweaty because I just detailed a car, and it took me 4 hours. Because this week is the first week I'm doing it by myself. Mind you, I barely know what I'm doing. So it's obviously going to take a little bit more time. Byron's like, I get cars done in like 2 hours. I'm like, I hope I don't need it done fast because I can't do it that fast. What else? He made me do this video because he's like, well, I'm working and I don't want to do it tonight because I'm tired, blah blah blah. But he gets what he wants, so here I am. He's got that new job. He started on Monday. He's liking it so far. He's like, I got my own truck. It's so cool. It's 2019. It's a big old cement truck. I get to drive it around, blah blah blah. So that really upped his self-esteem. Yesterday he worked 12 hours. Then he came home and like ate dinner and fell right asleep. So I was like, okay. Hopefully he comes home at a decent hour today, but never know because it's Wednesday and this is only the 3rd day working there, so he doesn't really know the schedule just yet. Which there's no set schedule, so that makes it even better. But he's hit all those hours are gonna add up, and it's gonna make some money for us, so that'll be great. Alrighty, so this is week 1, day 7, obviously. We have 3 sprouts. I don't know if y'all can see those real well. Not really. And these are all tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes with the AeroGarden. This is just week 1, guys. It's just a little, nothing really in there. Byron really likes tomatoes, so that's what he put in there first. We have another seed pod kit with herbs. Got a bunch of different ones on there actually. That just basically tells you about the AeroGarden. We're eventually gonna get some more of these because it's really low maintenance. It just takes care of itself. I don't really know, put that down. There's some water right here. I just gotta give it a plant food, I think, after week for it's every 2 weeks. But yeah, this will be really easy for us to move and take with us. We're hoping to get an apartment soon. We're in the process of doing an application for it.
One sprout. Oh, by the way, guys, this is 7 days. 6 days. There's another one. I don't think that one has one. There's another one. So a couple of them have not popped up yet. We're gonna wait a little bit longer to see if they do pop up. But the ones that are popped up are doing extremely well, especially after being only 6 days. So again, this is a 6-pot system, and that's basically just whatever you add your water, add your food, and then you basically turn on and off, or you don't turn off the light, you turn on the light once, and it cycles through pretty well. Alright guys, we'll catch you back in another short little section.